Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing our Huskita puppy, 4 months old. His name is Mellow. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys have any dogs, remember guys, we are first-time parents to our dog. This is the first time in my 37 years that I ever owned a beautiful puppy like the one that I'm showing you guys now. So if you guys have any advice, any comments, any information that can help us through our journey raising our Huskita puppy, please comment below and let us know guys. Give us information if you see something that we're not doing right. We're trying our best to show our Huskita puppy so much love, beginning from us, his parents, and then his little brothers, because we have 2 children. This Huskita puppy loves the outside world. He loves children. He loves running back and forth, and we mostly try to do this guys because we want the dog to feel at home. We want him to get his exercise. We want him to just be a healthy puppy. He just turned 4 months old guys. We'd had him since he was 2 months old, and now he is 4, and he is a loving, beautiful Huskita.
Have to run. When you hit the field, you better run fast. Okay? Take a run, huh? Run away. Ready? Come on. Man down.
Thank you guys for watching our YouTube channel. We hope you guys enjoy. This is our Huskita puppy, 4 months old. We are first-time owner guys, so remember, any comment, any advice or information, please comment below. Let us know what you think. We would love to hear about your opinion, me and my family. I just want to let you guys know that our Huskita puppy loves the outside world the same way he loves children. He's still learning the same way that we're learning as first-time parents. We love our Huskita puppy, and we wish that you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe. Turn on your notifications guys for my next video.